How to download Adobe Photoshop for free on PC and Mac in 2025. To get started, head down below and click on the link in the video description. This is going to take you to the official Adobe website. We're going to head up to the top left, click on Creativity and Design, and under Featured Products, select Photoshop. Once we're on the Photoshop page, we're going to select Free Trial, and then we can choose between individuals, business, and students and teachers. We're going to go with the individuals option, and then you can choose between the Photoshop only plan and the Creative Cloud All Apps plan. You can choose the Creative Cloud All Apps plan if you want to get access to all of the apps that Adobe offer. We're going to select this option and then we're going to pick a subscription. You can choose annual paid monthly, annual prepaid, or monthly. We prefer the monthly option, but if you would like to go for annual paid monthly, which is a little bit cheaper, you can go with the annual plan and pay a cheaper monthly fee. Just be aware that fees apply if you cancel after your 14-day free trial. Once you've decided on your payment option, click on the blue continue button. Now, the most important thing is to check that your due now is in fact $0, so you are getting access to the free trial. Adobe also offers a 7-day free trial of the Adobe stock. If you would like access to this, you can select and add it here. And double check the date that your free trial ends so you know if you want to cancel before your free trial is up. Then click on the blue continue button. In step 2 of 3, we're going to enter our email address that we're going to use for our Adobe account. And then in step 3 of 3, we're going to enter our payment information to complete creating our Adobe account. Once you've done all of this, you can click on the second link in the description. This is going to allow you to download the Creative Cloud app, where you will get access to Photoshop and all the other apps that you chose in your options. If you have any questions about how to download Adobe Photoshop on your PC or your Mac, let us know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.